everyone. So today's video is going to be how much I make on YouTube, and I decided to do this video because every time someone finds out that I do YouTube and I make videos, the first question always is, do you get paid? How much money do you make? Do you actually make money? Literally without fail, that is always the first question that people have is, do I make money and how much I get paid? YouTube has become, which I'm so thankful for, has become like a part-time job for me within the last year, which is so crazy, which I did start 3 years ago, and always found it so interesting how it varies from person to person how much money you actually make on YouTube. And I am a small channel. I only have around 23K right now, and always found it so interesting that there are so many factors that go into how much you make per month and all of that. So before getting into the video, I wanted to mention that there are so many different factors that you'll probably watch another video of these, and someone who probably has around the same subscriber count will probably make vastly different amount than I make, either so much more or so much less. It is completely varied on so many factors that not like one subscriber amount equals X amount of dollars, or not a viewer amount equals X amount of dollars. It ranges based on where people watch your videos, how many ads are in the videos, the age of your viewers, your CPM, the topic of the video, and also the watch time. So there are a lot of factors that go into how much you will actually make per video, and then with all of that included, how much you'll make a month. So you do get paid monthly on YouTube, and it is through Google, so you do get like a Google check, or I do like direct deposit. So monthly I do get paid through ad revenue. Another thing I wanted to mention is I don't only rely only on ads for my monthly revenue. I also do make money through sponsors, and you guys probably have seen those throughout. Sometimes one sponsorship I could make more on that brand deal than the whole month of revenue through ads, and it just is so different. In 1 month I could only make ad revenue and not make any revenue off of sponsorships or brand deals. So it is very, very different month to month. So that's why a majority of the money I make always goes into my savings, because you just never know how much you're gonna end up making because of all of those different factors. So I'm just gonna disclose how much I make on YouTube and not how much I get through sponsorships and brand deals. For legal reasons, I don't believe I can disclose how much I make through sponsorships and brand deals and all of that. So, but I will mention if I did do a brand deal that month and if I made relatively around the same amount or a lot less, or how much I made more, just like to give a little bit more of an idea of how that plays into it, but mainly gonna focus on how much I make through ads on YouTube monthly. I also think I'm just gonna go back 6 months, and we are in December right now, so mention how much I made 6 months prior. So yeah, I know this intro is so long and there's so much like going into it, but anyways, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, you guys, so my channel did grow a lot this year, so I did make a lot more than previous years. I've been doing YouTube for officially 3 years this December or January. So within the past year, I did grow a lot and was able to make YouTube a part-time slash full-time job. I am a full-time student, so I guess it's like a part-time job for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with July. So in July, my estimated revenue was $2,409.23. So in this month, I came out with the video college school supply shopping, which did very, very well. I did 10 college freshman mistakes, school supplies you need for college, college dorm shopping vlog, and college move-in day tips. So I did make a lot of revenue off of the school supplies video, and I did make the most of my money through ad revenue this month. So that month in July, I did make $2,400. For the month of August, also, I'm looking down because I have my laptop here reading all of my analytics off of my page, so sorry if I'm looking down, but I will put screenshots here that you're seeing. But in the month of August, I made about $4,000, so $3,990.80. My top video was the college move-in day sorority house edition. So that video is my most viewed video on YouTube right now. This month I made the most off of ad revenue. So yeah, that one was about $4,000 a month, but I did do a couple of brand deals in that month, I'm pretty sure. And for the month of September, I made $5,080.79. And yeah, a lot of the revenue was also from the college move-in day video. So if you guys haven't seen that, go watch it. It is my most viewed video on my channel right now. So yeah. And for the month of October, you guys will see a significant decrease in ad revenue. So for the month of October, I only made $1,621. So this was right when I started school. So there's also a huge difference from over summertime. I put out 3 videos every week, or 2 to 3 videos per week. And then once I got to school, I cut that down and only did a video a week because I was in school and I was getting busy, so I can't put out as much content as I do during the summer, because that's like my full-time job in the summer is YouTube, is me only producing videos, and obviously the ad revenue is going to reflect that. So there was a significant decrease in October, and still my top video was the move-in day video. And for the month of November, I made $593.54 off of ad revenue. And then this month it was pretty close to half and half with how much I made with brand deals. So I made closer to $1,000 this month. And yeah, so I just wanted you guys to see how significant that is, going from making $5,000 a month to $600 a month. Obviously so vastly different. So this is why relying on a specific amount of revenue every month is so hard to do, because you really can't, because every month is just going to depend on how well your videos performed during that month. So it's very, very different. And then in this last month, I also made pretty much exactly the same, $594.47. So again, pretty similar to the other one. And then did a couple of brand deals too, so where it kind of evened out to about $1,000 a month. So yeah, I'm gonna stop there. So yeah, right now like YouTube has been pretty much like a hobby for me, so I never really cared about like disclosing how much money I make, because, well, to like people I know, because it's just like, oh my gosh, like I'm making these videos for fun and getting a check for it. So it's really an awesome thing that I'm so blessed and so thankful that I have the opportunity to do. But moving forward, it is becoming more of an actual job for me, so I don't know if I'm gonna feel comfortable later on disclosing how much I make. I mean, this is also just a portion of what I do make. This is just ad revenue. I do also make money through sponsorships, brand deals, affiliate links, and sources through that. But yeah, this is how much I make off of just ad revenue. So yeah, I hope you guys found that interesting. I highly encourage you guys to watch probably other videos of this and see how much of maybe someone around my subscriber account, how much they make a month, or maybe pick someone who makes 100K, hopefully they made a video, and see how vastly different it is, either from month to month or from content creator to content creator, because it is just so different, which is very interesting to me. And I love watching these videos because it's very insightful to see how much you're getting paid and how much every little factor can depend on how much you're making, because it also is dependent on a simple ad, if they're willing to put ads on something that's more family friendly and stuff like that. So it's very interesting. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and getting more insightful information on how much like a small YouTuber makes, and you learned something. If you guys do want to see a video on how to start a successful channel, I know you guys are probably watching this in the beginning of 2020, so if you guys want to see a video that's more talking about how you guys can actually grow your channel in 2020 and how to start a successful channel, my channel has grown and surpassed any goals that I initially ever had. So I would say my channel is pretty successful. So if you guys want to see a video on how I was able to do that, then just let me know and I would love to get around to doing that for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was insightful, like I said. And again, this is not meaning to brag at all. I haven't even really looked into how much people make with my subscriber count or viewer count, or like, you know, so I have no idea if I even make like significantly less than other people. So, but you know, just wanted to throw that out there because I literally have no idea and just wanted to share my numbers with you. But again, I'm rambling so much, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!